As of now, we are walking to. Oh, guys, wave at it. Ooh. No. It's a Cybertruck. Ooh, I was blinded by the light. Okay, well, hey, your Dutch. How's the haircut? Show me. Hey. Watch out, watch out. Huh? Turned off. Damn, where are you guys gonna be trick-or-treating? Just around the neighborhood? Don't you guys go trick-or-treat? Huh? Did I go? Mira. I wish I was like those niggas. Light. Especially Trey. Light as fuck. He's just jumping. Don't do that. He just look like Papa Jingo doing that shit.
They're gonna put you in the yellow house.
Try pass it to him. Let's see if he's gonna catch it.
Hey John, catch the ball. Catch the ball.
Oh, almost. Grab it. Dang, where's your deer at? Sleeping? Last night he was on his game. I think it was last night. Yeah. When we came back from picking up Gittery, he was in the what is it? Living room downstairs. I went in. I bothered him. I was like, deer. He looked up and then I think I messed him up on his game. Oh, he messed me up. I died.
On the computer?
On the computer. Ooh! Good catch. Is it? Muy cara sidak. Let's go.
Where is this going? YouTube?
YouTube. How's the rate say YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Yeah. Damn, I'm not gonna lie. My legs feels good. Feels good, but it's heavy from the sprints. We've been doing, you know what I mean? Oh, for real? Wait till see you.
Well, they still got a basketball court?
They put it down, bro.
Okay, I was about to say we still got the basketball.
For real.
Okay, this is the cement.
Put your hoodie on, boy. Put your hoodie on. It's not cold. No, we're gonna go up there. We're gonna go on the track. There, bro, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, shit. Man, they got rid of it. They got rid of the they got rid of the hoops over there. You see, look. That sucks, huh?
Yeah, I remember that.
Did you guys ever walk down here? When you guys? No, huh?
No.
Your dad?
No.
Dang, show that video cord.
Over there,
This is a big court, not gonna lie. We could have been coming here and shooting. Yeah. For real.
Oh, look at that tree house.
I don't know why they took it off.
That's an old tree house.
Scary, right? Scary.
Hey, now can I run up there?
You can run up there, bro.
Bye-bye. Go up the hill.
Hmm.
I got to
Dang. So that para.
half. You're half of the size, half.
So that para remove fit. They can do this to Chuuk, bro. Hey.
Hello.
Cute doggies. That's Moi Moi and Trayshawn.
I'm the white one.
And if it's the other one, it's gonna be Ty and me. Run up the hill, run up the hill. Ooh, I was blind by the light.
Ready.
Third.
Right here.
Oh. Oh. Come on, man. Die for the ball, man.
After that shit.
We can play kickball here too.
I remember they used to play dodgeball, kickball, shit.
Let's go. Tell them to come here.
Come here.
Y'all have to.
Run routes.
Yeah. Run routes.
Run routes.
The circle?
Routes.
It's routes.
Teach him.
Come.
Show him a play.
Defend. Mordecai, come.
Mordecai's gonna oh.
Mordecai's gonna be on the route. You're gonna defend it.
Yeah.
You gotta
You
block
come
it.
here.
I know, I can be blocked.
Come here. You're with me. You're gonna stay here. Wherever he goes, follow him. Don't slow down. Don't play too hard. Just try to block the ball. Got that?
Yeah. I'm gonna block him in the front.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna hit the ball.
Hell yeah. There you go.
Ready. Go.
Get him, Trey. Look at him. Look at him. Hands up. Woohoo! Oh! Almost. Alright. Your turn.
Deshaun's turn.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Give it to
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, what is it? It is, huh? It does, huh? It does, doesn't it? Alright, show him your route. Alright, Mama, come here. No matter what, stick on him. Don't let him go past you. Don't let him catch the ball.
I could already feel
Play
like
bully
I'm
ball.
like,
But just don't push him. He's younger than you. Like how you
that's
pushed him.
play. Push.
Bruh, you don't want him flying like you did him at the school. When y'all raced.
Learn the lesson that Mia did to me. I freaking like this, rush the ball, spin me around.
Yeah?
Ready. Ready? You ready? Ready. Go. Oh yeah, boy. Bro, he's unguarded. What are you doing?
Guard him. What the hell? What was that?
You gotta play that. I wanna watch that.
Do it again, do it again.
Come back, Trey Sean. You did the whole. You did it wrong.
Alright, let's do first have them like have 5 turns, try to like catch it.
5 turns. One person, 5 turns.
Yeah. So they can catch it. This guy's down D. This guy's gonna be on
Hey,
O.
come, look.
Alright, so we got Moigak. Come here, bro. That's the stage. Your nickname. What's your nickname? Moy Bus.
Yeah, whatever that is.
Huh?
Whatever that is.
You have to say Moy Bus number. What's your number? And you have to say your grade. Go.
0.
Come. My name is Mo.
My bus number 0.
Okay.
3rd grade.
Right, 3rd grade. How about you, Trey Sean? What's Trey? You have to say your nickname and then your number and you say your grade. Alright, what's your nickname? Just make up a nickname. Yeah, make a nickname up. Go. Shh. Alright, go.
Mordecai.
No, let's just say Treyway and then your number.
Cherry Bay.
What's your number?
87.
87? Okay, and what grade are you in?
3rd.
3rd.
Bet.
Keep it on 3rd base.
3rd grader.
3rd grader versus 3rd grader.
And the other 3rd grader.
Okay.
Ready? You remember the route? Ready? Set, go. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Oh.
Oh man. Hey, stick on him. You have to D him, bro. You have to guard him. Come here. We're gonna make play move.
I'm gonna do that.
No, they're gonna do it 5 times. That's 2 times. Come here, boy. Stick on him. You gotta stick on him. What's your nickname again? Moy Bus. Moy Bus. Yeah, Moy Bus. Come on, Moy Bus. Come here. Throw up your do sign. One time for football. All right, now we got Treyway again and his quarterback,
Ready? Go.
Tyway.
Go.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Run! Stick on him! Come on!
Get up.
And whoever wins. They got lollipop.
Oh, shit. You still got your lollipop?
I just got him today.
Let's go.
Just got them today.
3.
Winner gets lollipop. That's the 3rd.
Third.
Just catch it one time.
Yeah, whoever catches it, they get 1 lollipop. Alright, more. Come here.
Where's the color?
You're doing good. Stay on him.
Hey.
Be focused.
Ready, set, go.
Oh.
That's the 4th.
That's 4th.
Last try.
One more time, and then it's Moy Boss's turn.
Go.
Let's see both do it.
Woohoo!
So we're gonna restart.
Yeah, man.
Like this.
What? Woohoo! Alright, let's go.
Let's go. More bus.
Ready. Go.
You already know what you're doing.
Woohoo! Woo! Oh, he caught it.
He caught it on
He
you.
sh- Woo! What are they playing to?
That's your turn. Huh?
What are they playing to? Whoever gets how many catches?
We're gonna see how many.
Oh, so state your name again.
Yes. Treyway.
Treyway.
Number 87.
Treyway. Number 80 what?
87.
And what's your grade?
Third.
Third.
Good. And he has 1 catch.
And he has 1 catch. Now we got Moibas. Oh, okay. I'm your coach now. Whatever you do, stick on me. Don't let him go past you. Don't let him catch it. Okay?
So I just punch it.
Punch it. Intercept it. Catch it. Catch the ball. No matter what, stay where he's going. Okay? Make sure your feet are moving.
Go back. Ready. Set, go.
Ooh, ooh. Oh, he let him go fast. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah. Stick on him. Stick on him. Stick on that guy.
That's caught.
Oh, good D. Good D.
I just did to catch it.
Good D.
What happened, bro? You didn't even follow the route.
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Come here. Come here.
You stopped.
Give me some. My boy. All right, now
All right, what do you want?
just gonna relax. Do the same thing. You're doing great. Say, can I get a hell yeah? Why? All right. Remember, okay? Stick up on him.
Go.
Run, run. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Go
Oh.
ahead, man.
Oh, I think I need to be quarterback.
Huh? No, it's 'cause it's wet.
Oh, okay. Oh, it should have been like that, huh? You be his offensive coach and I'm this guy's on.
Oh, yeah.
All right, come here.
You seen the ball. Why didn't you run up to it? That's the 3rd try.
I already said
All right,
to get
come here.
on
Second.
I saw you when you did
All right.
this.
Here, you hold this too, and you talk to your player.
Who?
Hey, yeah, that's gonna be a. You might have to teach him how to defense.
Alright.
Okay, now hold this. Remember, keep it on me too. Light work.
First.
Come here, boy. I gotta talk to you. All right, hey.
Yeah, you guys already started.
All right. Okay. I want you to when he's about to run. All right. When he's about to run, you push up on him and then you push him back. All right. Push it back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep up.
Yeah. You push him back. All right.
No, like, do I just do?
No. Use your hands. Push it. All right. Yep. Yep. Ready? Go up close. Up close, boy. Up close. Up close. Closer. 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 Right there. Go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't go too far. That's how you're gonna catch it. Come back.
He said, laugh at him. Laugh at him. All right, hey, same thing. Well, I want you to stay in front of him, not behind him, all right?
So you just want me to?
Push him, all right? But if he gets past you, get in front of him, not behind him. Okay? Hey.
All right.
Go. Same thing.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What'd I say? Treyway, my boy.
How many times has he had?
Four. This is his last one.
All right, hey. That was some good stuff out there, man. Good stuff. Dab my hand, man.
Oh.
Yeah. Good stuff. All right, same stuff. Breathe.
Oh, say hi.
Oh, one up. That's one up.
Down and then do the LeBron James celebration.
Oh!
Come on, man.
Oh yeah. Okay, PNC. Oh. Okay, PNC.
Oh!
Oh. KFC fried chicken.
In action.
Woohoo! It's finger licking good, ain't it? That's 1-1.
So if we catch this one, it I can chance the other one.
Go. Front line, boy. Front line,
Stick up on this guy, man.
Front line, soldier. Ready, set, go.
Oh, no, hold that. No, that you cannot hold it like that. You cannot hold it like that. You can't hold it like that.
Come on, man.
Hey, oh, that's holding.
Slap his hand.
Yeah, that's holding.
Ready,
Boy, that's good though. Good job.
run, boy.
Hey, you have to go fast. Do it again. Do it again. No, go over here.
Come back.
He just fucked up you guys' route, bro. Go back. Go back. Go back. Good D. Okay, PSC. Oh.
I'm about to trade your ass. Ready, remember to run, alright? Ready, go.
Fast. Pick your feet. Pick your feet. Pick up your feet. Pick up your feet. Pick your feet. Pick up your feet. Pick your feet. Run. Run. Ooh, I like my boy. Ooh.
Get traded, bro.
Hey, you got 2 more tries, right? 2 more tries? 3 more? 4 more? That's 2
The
already.
first one.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
3 more.
Damn,
Oh, yeah.
bro, that route was ass. You didn't even know what you were doing.
Yeah, man.
Shut up.
Come here. Give me some. Dab me up twice. 1, 2. Oh, yeah.
Bitch, stop running from him.
Yeah. Stay on him. Alright. KPNC. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna end this because it's 22 minutes. You ready?
No,
Okay.
you went straight.
He just told him the route.
Go.
No, don't hold him. You cannot hold him like that. Do it again. Because if you hold him like that, you're gonna get a flag. If you really play football. Alright, ready?
Go.
Oh. Run. He was too proud of that moment. That's why he didn't run to the ball. It does, huh? It does, huh?
Yes, sir. I like that.
I prefer, sir.
Ball now.
All right. Later.